Here's a carrier furnace at my brother's apartment. Right now I'm inside. So I'm using my iPhone 5 as always. And here's the data tag right there. Model number 28. Model number 28 RC 0310 Z834841. I guarantee this is installed in 1983. This is a 1983 furnace. There's the plug right there. You see the burners in there. You see the burners right there. So there's it. This basically is first. It's tied into that. So this furnace is tied into that 1994 unbranded air conditioner. My kind of busy today. Just keep on talking. Here's the carrier a little bit. I guarantee that five-bladed unbranded air conditioner is a carrier. That's my guarantee. And it's tied to that unbranded, and you can see it down there, right down there. Yeah, I can't really see it. Let me just turn off that button. Okay. Here's the lines. There's the liquid line, suction line. Yeah, this is basically the fluid. So this is the. So I'm gonna get a video of guys. So yeah, it's a Robertshaw Thermostat. So it's a Robertshaw Thermostat, and it's set to 73.
Wow.
And it's set to off.
Very nice. Whoa.
So that's basically my brother's carrier furnace, along with the thermostat. I'm gonna get a full video of that thermostat next. Okay, I'll see you guys later, and bye.